so tip number 6 in the 7 characteristics of a good public speaker that you can emulate and become a good public speaker is actually being audience focused. And this is one of the things that we focus a lot on in the Fearless Presentations class when we're teaching them. A lot of times folks will actually come to our 2-day public speaking classes in order to help them reduce nervousness. Obviously, that's why it's called Fearless Presentations. But once we start to reduce the nervousness, we really want to help them design much more effective presentations. And one of the ways that is critical in helping you make that connection with the audience so that you're able to build confidence when you speak is making your presentation really what I call audience focused. I realize that most of the people who are in your audience, the natural assumption that I like to make when I'm speaking anyway is I make the assumption that the people in my audience don't really want to be there. I know that's kind of crass to say, but in reality, if you make that assumption when you walk in and go from that point, now all of a sudden we're going to design presentations that are more interesting to the audience. Every single person in your audience has a challenge or problem that hopefully the information that you're going to be presenting to them will help them solve. And if you can design your presentations that way to focus on helping the people in your audience solve their own problems, they're going to like you a whole lot more. Dr. Michelle Mauser wrote an article in Fast Company recently, and she said that one of the big mistakes that people make when they're designing presentations is they make themselves the focus of that presentation. This should be about what I want and what I want to tell you, when in reality what she says is you want to make the audience the center of your presentation. If you take that advice, you're going to have much better presentations. So make your presentations really audience focused, and your audience are going to love you.